turning cycle. Select the F2 icon. For this operation, we will be using outside turning. You can use the half key to toggle between inside and outside. Define your part. Xi and Zi are the starting point of the X and Z coordinates, and in this example we will be using X 1.5 and Z 0. XF and ZF is the ending point. In this example we will be using X 1.5 and Z minus 3. The diameter we want to turn the part down to will be 1 inch. Safety distances will be set for 0.1 as usual. Define machining conditions. We will be using CSS, and we will be using a maximum spindle speed of 1500 RPM in a clockwise rotation. Define your roughing pass. F is the roughing feed rate, and in this example we will be using a value of 2 thou per revolution. Our constant surface speed will be 300. We will use tool 1 and D1 for the offset. The delta is how much material we are going to take off per pass, and in this example we will be using 0.075. Define your finishing pass. Again, F is set to 2 thousandths per rev. Constant surface of 300, tool 1, offset 1. Then the X value for the finishing stock, we were going to leave 5 thousandths, and on Z we will leave 5 thousandths as well. Simulate the program. And save your cycle to the part program.